biggest is the speed. The Taylor machine can produce a full bucket of custard for us in about 20-25 minutes, whereas the competitors took us about 45 to an hour.
At Super Chix, chicken is only half the story. Founded in Arlington, Texas, Super Chix has grown to 45 plus locations nationwide by delivering an elevated, fast, casual experience. Fresh, never frozen chicken, hand-cut fries, and premium frozen custard. When Super Chix needed equipment that could keep up with their commitment to premium in-store churned custard, made fresh 3 times a day, they turned to Taylor Company. We sat down with the Super Chix team to hear how the Taylor custard machines transformed their operation, producing a full bucket in just 20 to 25 minutes instead of 45 to an hour, delivering superior taste and texture, and making training so simple that new employees are running the machines independently by day 2.
Everything's fresh, never frozen. Our chicken's marinated in-house. We have a variety of chicken sandwiches, jumbo chicken tenders, our fries are hand cut, and then of course we do premium frozen custard, which we think brings it all together.
Well, custard's really important to us. It's part of our name, Super Chix Chicken and Custard. We sell custard every day. We make 3 flavors every day. We always have vanilla and chocolate, and then we do a rotating flavor of the week.
We've always valued ourselves as a brand to serve premium custard, and once we realized the product out of this Taylor machine, that's something that we've realized that we finally hit with our custard product.
We quickly noticed that there was a different, it's the same custard, right? But it tasted better. And we're like, why does this taste better? It's coming out colder, it's got a better mouthfeel, it's smoother. The way that the Taylor machine produced our product was just superior.
The training is very simple with the Taylor machine. The buttons are really simple to use, it's really easy to train, and people tend to catch on to it very easily.
We scaled faster because the Taylor setup makes training simple and repeatable. By day 2 of training, we can have somebody flying on their own. With the Taylor machine, flavor launches are smooth, lines move quickly, and waste is non-existent. It's been great for us. Yeah, we've been waiting for the downside, and we haven't found it yet. We've been working with Taylor for a long time now, so.